Hello viewers, welcome to another project tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, I will be teaching you how we can extract audio from a video file using only 4 lines of code in Python. Before starting this amazing video, if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to watch my video first. So without wasting any time, let's move to our computer screen. So as you can see, I have already opened Python projects for a beginner playlist in front of you. And I have added a lot of projects for Python beginners. So let's add a new project to this playlist. So for that, let's move to our destination folder. As I told, I will be extracting audio from video file. So for that, we will be requiring a sample video file. I have already saved a video file in this folder, as you can see on the screen. Now let's play the video file. So this is the video file, as you can see.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination.
So this was the video file. Now using Python, we will be extracting the audio from this video. For that, let's create a new file. So I will just right click and click on open with code option so that the folder will be get open in VS Code. So as you can see, the folder is open in VS Code. Now I will just click plus icon and give the name to file, which is main.py. To extract audio from video, we will be requiring a package called as Moviepy of Python. So let's install that package first. So I will just click here and click on the terminal option. As you can see that the terminal is open, and I will just type pip install Moviepy. So the name of that package is Moviepy. As you can see, the package is already downloaded in my system, so it is saying requirement already satisfied, but it will be get downloaded in your system. So just wait for the download to complete. So let's close this terminal now. After installation of Moviepy package, let's move to the practical implementation of the source code. So I will simply import the Moviepy package as MP. After that, I will create a variable called as video, and then simply write mp dot video file clip and the video file name, which is video dot mp4 in our case, which is this file, as you can see. So basically this lines takes the video in our program. After that, to extract audio from this video file, we have to write only one line, which is audio file equal to video, which is the above variable dot audio. After execution of this line, audio will be get saved in the audio file variable. Now we have to store this audio in a local storage. For that, I will simply write audio file dot write audio file, as you can see, and the name of the audio file. So in my case, I will just give extracted audio .mp3. You can give any name of your choice, but make sure the extension is mp3 only. So this is our simple 4 line of source code using which we can extract audio from any video file. Now let's run the program. The program is running now. It will take some time to read video and convert it into audio, so let's wait. As you can see, the processing has started and also finished within few seconds due to low size of video. And as you can see, this extracted underscore audio file is created in the same folder. Now let's move to our destination folder to check the audio file. As you can see, this is the extracted audio file of our project. Now let's run the file for confirmation.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination.
So as you can see, we have successfully extracted audio from the video file. This was all about today's tutorial. If you want the source code of this project, you can simply go to Chrome open a new tab and just type projectmaker.me. This is the URL of my blogging website. I will provide the link of this blog in description so you can access the source code. I will update this blog before publishing this video with the source code of today's lecture. And if you wish to find any another source code of any project, you can use the search feature to search the project by its title, and the result will be in front of you as you can see, and just you can get the source code from there. Here comes the end of this video. If you face any difficulties while installing the package or getting the output, you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Thanks for watching this video.